The photos are loading now, Tata.
Ah, good. I'm excited to see. Come, grandson. Let me show you something.
Okay, Grandpa. What is it?
This coconut tree is a perfect example.
Look at this fine coconut tree, my boy.
It's very tall. What do you see?
A gift from the earth grows like this coconut tree.
A coconut?
Yes. If you plant it early and take care of it, it will give you coconuts for many years.
This tree has watched over our village for many years.
It's so beautiful, Grandfather. The light is magical.
See, we start with the baseline, then build the angles. This connects the points, forming our first shape. Imagine two friends. You and Ravi stay investing 5,000 in Railway. Ravi starts at 35.
But we invest the same amount.
Watch this, my boy. This little drawing.
Wow.
See the golden light? It means wealth and prosperity are growing too.
Your money earns money. Then that money earns even more money. That is called compound interest.
So starting early is the secret.
Exactly. Time is the most powerful investor. In finance, money grows slowly, but time makes it powerful.